Please welcome to the stage, Checksum Labs.
Hi, my name is Gustav, and I'm the founder of Checksum Labs with my partner Christian. And we're creating an automated test platform for the manufacturing industry. Manufacturers today face huge challenges when it comes to quality assurance. Defective products slipping through lead to costly recalls, while regulatory requirements and documentation are becoming increasingly complex. Many teams try to solve this by creating in-house tools which drains resources. In short, quality assurance has become a bottleneck. Christian has first-hand experience in how testing would consume significant resources in hardware development, where often he'd be working on teams where over 15% of their entire effort would just go into manufacturing test setup. A clear inefficiency which inspired the founding of Checksum Labs. Checksum Labs solves this with an integrated platform that combines automation and seamless traceability. Each device is tested faster and more thoroughly, leading to lower recall rates, faster product to market, and stronger customer trust. Products are placed in custom test fixtures where automated tests are executed. Each device receives a digital fingerprint for full lifecycle traceability. All of this is accessible through dashboards that provide real-time insight into production performance. This is a massive market. The global quality assurance market is valued at $50 billion, but our initial market will be regulated EU and Nordic markets worth around $500 million. The timing is perfect. We're seeing an explosion of IoT devices, all needing robust quality assurance systems. Regulations like EU MDR are raising the bar, and factory automation is accelerating. But quality assurance remains the bottleneck. And with supply chains reshoring to both Europe and the United States, the need for compliant quality assurance systems is only increasing. Our business model blends recurring SaaS subscription revenue, one-time hardware sales, and professional services. Competitors either fall into expensive, generic test solutions or in-house tools that drain time and resources. Checksum Labs hits the sweet spot. Faster automation, compliance-ready, cost-effective, and fully integrated traceability. We've already begun integrations with our first customers and established strategic partnerships within the medical device industry where we see strong product-market fit potential. Our team has a strong combination of both business development and hardware development expertise. Quality assurance does not have to be a bottleneck. With Checksum Labs, quality assurance can be turned from a cost into a competitive advantage. Thank you. Yep.
No, thank you it was a very comprehensive pitch for 3 minutes. I think you touched on everything, which was fantastic. Well done. Just curious about your business model, because you're including professional services in that. And I know that sometimes if you're doing scaling a startup, that can become very, very tricky. Do you need to have that element as part of your business model, and how will you manage it?
The services, the main services are like setting up of the test fixtures themselves and such. They are not required for the customers. They can just take our solution and do that. For like complex, we can provide the additional services if needed for those cases. The system is designed to be integrated by the user.
Is just a software, or is software and hardware?
We can the testing solution and the traceability solution is a software, but accompanying that, you need a hardware to execute the tests on the device, and we provide services on developing those fixtures and those devices. And again, like if needed, the customer of course can also do that. Our main product is the subscription, is the software that provides the test execution and the traceability, which is the biggest overhead in the setup.
The customers that you guys already are in conversation with, is it in Iceland or is it?
In Iceland, yeah.
Yes, we're starting with using our network here in Iceland.
It's great to see that companies in Iceland are actually manufacturing things. That's good.
Absolutely agree. We need more of those.
Great.
No, and nice to see that you're starting with the medical device industry. I think it makes perfect sense. I'm just wondering, because I think you somewhere in your pitch you said sort of regulated industries. Are you thinking then pharmaceutical or defense, or what would you?
Medical device industry. So
You just get that, and that will be where you're.
yeah, that is our main
strongest.
story. Yeah.
Yeah.
Strong, currently, yeah.
Yeah, but could you grow into it? Maybe I didn't phrase my question well enough. Can you grow into other industries like, I don't know, pharmaceuticals, where I imagine quality assurance is very important, and/or defense apparently is a growing industry. Not that I'm a fan, but.
Pharmaceutical, no, because since we're focusing on our hardware products.
Okay.
But with defense, definitely. And in general, these kind of quality control systems are very important for general in manufacturing. Just the extent of their execution depends on heavily on regulation and how seriously you take the quality of the product.
So if I understand it correctly, any control system which has sensors and devices and motors will be possibly can use Checksum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the long term, yes, we can.
Right.
Of course, we're focused on a narrow field of type of devices, but
Right.
in general, the concept can be applied to any electronics manufacturing.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Checksum Labs. Thank you so much.